Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, I am going to make this super easy and tasty carrot pineapple juice. How much pineapple and carrots we need? For me, it's really up to you how many people in the house will drink the juice and what kind of taste you want. Carrots and pineapple juice is delicious combination that's naturally sweetened and a great addition to healthy juicing. This drink is very easy to make and it makes a great summer drink. Carrots are one of my favorite fresh vegetable juice with pineapple. Carrots are crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. They also have a number of health benefits. Carrots are found in many colors, including yellow, white, orange, red, and purple. Carrots are about 10% of carbs, consisting of starch, fiber, and simple sugar. They are extremely low in fat and protein. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. They are also a good source of several B vitamins as well as vitamin K and potassium. The pineapple are delicious and healthy tropical fruit. It is so easy to add into our diet. It is packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are also rich in vitamin C, and it is a good source of antioxidant. It also have anti-inflammatory properties that may boost the immune system. For the people that ask in the comment section as to what kind of juicer I am using, this is Chef Slow Masticating Juicer. I'm going to put the link in the description box of this juice in case you wanna check out. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Enjoy our tasty carrots pineapple juice. Have a good day.